How to add a Gmail account in Android Gmail application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add a Gmail account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch Gmail application in your mobile device. Here, if you're already logged in with one of your account. Now if you'd like to add another account, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here, scroll down a bit and then tap on add another account. Here, so you have to select Google. Verify your device. After that, you'll be taken into sign in piece. So here you have to enter your email address or the account that you want to add. Then tap on next. And on the next page, you will be asked to enter your password. Make sure to type in your correct password that is associated with your account. Then tap on sign in. If you have two-factor authentication in your account, then you may have to confirm it using the verification code. And once you're verified, you'll be signed into your Gmail account and your new account will be added into the application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.